If you want to transfer recorded gameplay footages from your PS5 to a flash drive and then to your PC, and you have been having challenges, in this video I'll show you how I fixed this, or how I found the solution rather, after some research online. Now, all you're going to need is a flash drive and a PC or a laptop, for you to be able to format your flash drive into the right file system so that your PS5 can recognize it. So I have a 16 gigabyte flash drive that I use. This is what I've been using before, and for the sake of this tutorial or this guide, I'm going to reformat it again into the right file system. So you insert your flash drive into your PC, then it's going to show up here. Now this is my flash drive, 16 gigabytes. So obviously you have to right click on it, then you click on format. Now it's going to show you this format box. So all you have to do is check the file system. So by default, if it's a new flash, it might probably be on FAT32 or NTFS, but you have to change that to exFAT. So that is the only format, as far as I know, that the PS5 can recognize and successfully copy files into it. So you select the exFAT, and you allocate a volume label for your flash drive, and you click on start. Now, mind you, before you go through this process, it's going to format your flash drive. So if you have any important data on the flash drive, you need to back that up somewhere else before you continue. So now the flash has been formatted in exFAT. So now we have to move to the PS5. You eject it, and let's move to the PS5. First of all, before I eject, let me show you that this doesn't work on any other file system. So let's do that. So I'm going to reformat it now to NTFS, just to show you that it will not work on any other file system. So this is NTFS now. So I'll format this. So it's done. I'll close this. Let's eject and move to the PS5 and see if we can copy our gameplay onto the flash drive. So this is it. So I have to connect the flash. There's a flash. I have to connect it to my PS5. So I'm using the PS5 Slim. So there's no USB-A at the front of the PS5 Slim. So I use the dongle because there's no way I'll put it at the back. I've occupied the back of the PS5 Slim. So I'm using this dongle. I don't know if you can see it. So I put the flash in the dongle. So that is it. So I want to quickly show you something now. So to tell you that it does not recognize it, to tell you it does not recognize that file system, I'm going to remove the flash and put it back in. Then you see a quick pop-up at the top right of my screen here. Now watch. See that? It's not supported. Is unsupported. That's what it just said. So that's to tell you that it will not work on any other format. So let's remove it and reformat the flash back to exFAT. So you can see that that's the only format that it recognizes. So I'm going to move my camera back. So the flash is back in my PC now. So I have to reformat it back to exFAT. So this is it. So I'll change it from NTFX to XFAT. Then I'll click on start and okay. So it's just giving us a warning that it's going to erase everything on that flash. So that's done. So let's put it back to the PS5 and see if we get that pop-up notification that is not supported. Let's see if we get that again, of which we are not going to. So as you can see, we didn't get any pop-up notification that is not supported. So let's go back to our media and check if we are going to see the flash drive. It's going to show up as USB right here. So this is it right here. It's going to show here. That's because it's on the right file system, which is exFAT. So right now I'm going to try and copy my Warzone gameplay. I'm going to try and copy one into the USB flash. So we can check your USB flash. You can see it's empty. There's nothing inside. There's nothing inside. So I'm here in all. So I'm going to copy this. I'm looking for the one that's not long. So I'm going to copy this particular one. So I'm going to copy this one into the USB. So I'll press the option on my controller and say copy to USB drive, and it's going to ask you for confirmation. You copy one video clip to your USB drive, copy. So you wait for it to copy, and the file extension, the video file extension is um, WebM, and I think all video player supports that particular file extension for media. So you're not going to have any problem. Or maybe just in case you want to you have to use a converter, maybe you need it in MP4 or whatever format you might need it, and your video editor can do that for you. So to check if what you copied has been copied successfully, we click OK, and we navigate to the USB. So now you find the PS5 folder already created. You open it, you find the create folder, you open that, you find video clips, you open that, you find Call of Duty, which is the name of the game I copied, and you find the clip that you just copied into it. You find it there, which is this. So you can confirm that by pressing play, and it's going to play for you. So that is that about this video. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you.